What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. And right now, people, we're heading down by the Bluffs, and we're gonna give you a Bluffs walkthrough early in the morning. Yeah, so I'm saying, you know what? Let's get up, go shoot a vlog. You guys been waiting for this type of vlog of the parks. Where's the parks, Jay? You haven't gave us no parks video. What's going on with you? So this is gonna be a part 1 and a part 2 vlog of the Bluffs, because the Bluff is really big. So it's going to be a part 1 and a part 2 of the Bluff. So we're going to do 2 different sides. Okay, so we're going to park the car and we're going to go around to the beach side of the Bluff for today. And yeah, people, if you're new here, with the park videos, mall videos, beach videos, hood videos, helping you guys trying to build a house in Jamaica. And yeah, if you look on that side, people, right there's at the center, right, the marine side, where you can come pull up with your drop top cars or whatever and stuff like that, or your boats and stuff like that. And yeah, just pull up. But right now we're gonna go drive you guys around to the beach side of the Bluff right now and show you guys how the beach side look. The next vlog, we're gonna do a part 1, we're gonna do a part 2. The next side, we'll do the next side, because if we go over both sides, it's gonna be over an hour long. I don't want a video if it be that long. You understand me, Travis, some people? So that's why. So we're gonna do the video like this for right now. So we're just gonna take our time and drive through. And this is how the Bluffs look early in the morning. I like the Bluffs. You see my haters over there, those damn ducks, those damn geeses. They're the real boss of Canada. Yeah, man, them not really care about nobody. Them are the dada. Now I gonna lie to you. But yeah, let's see if I can drive through here and stuff. Right now, there's people parked up. You can see that the bus do run around here also, my people. The bus them do run also. So if you're coming down to the Scarborough Bluffs, the bus them do run down here also. Kind of feeling a bit chilly, but we get up this morning and I just have it on my mind, say, let's go make a vlog video and get off whatever on your mind. I want to talk today and walk the beach, because I'm going around to the beach side today. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy the vlogs. Like again, people, Jamaica, with the house videos, how to build a house in Jamaica from my experience, how you can get by some things, or you know, do the right thing. And we just talk tea time and we talk and live, you know, because we only have one life to live, right, with people. You don't know, say the bad mind people them out there always I watch, you know. So we just push through fast, same way, and make this life work, because we only have one life to live. So now this is the parking lot, my people. Yesterday me come down here, my people, but me I tell you, so the parking security them out like in full force. So me I say, you know what, let me try to come down there early today, but the parking board them not out in full force as yet, and see how they work in the morning, because right now they're cleaning up the beach and everything like that right now. So yeah, so we're gonna see how it is out there and let you guys know. We're just gonna do a nice little walk all the way around this side of the park, because I know a long time when I asked for the park video them still. So right now me just go to this park video. I'm happy me do the video like this, you know. First time really to go the game now. So listen, we're gonna do it like that. I may have the mic down here. So what the go on now? So I see I will leave a different type of video tomorrow. On the next vlogs, you might see some downtown vlogs just like that too. Yeah, man, you might see some downtown vlogs. We're just driving a car, and I don't know, I'm gonna probably try to get a suction cup. That would be crazy, eh? When I'm leaving, put a suction cup on a car and give a drive out view while I'm talking. Boogie up. Big up yourself, you know, youth. Now you're thinking, that's what the people them want to see. You see? Yeah, man, my people, I don't like look fresh haircut. You don't know, say, summertime I come back up, you have to look back clean and fresh and put yourself back out there, you know. Get back the spiritual vibe and the spiritual mindset up again. But right now, people, we just reached the Bluffs and we're gonna take a little walk out and go on a nice little vlog touring the Bluffs in the morning time, not the evening time, morning time. And I get my people, I do these videos for people who haven't seen the Bluffs in a long time, people who move out long time from over them place there, and them just want, you know, see nature. So if you're newcomers or come to Canada, you want a nice place to hang out and chill at evening time, when you don't work, you just make a drive down to the Bluffs. You know, say, yeah man, you can go camping down on the Bluffs. I do a lot of music videos and photo shoot down by the Bluffs. So anybody again, people, yeah man, I do music videos and photo shoots. So anybody who link me up one at a time, them just page me, man. I do anything one want. Wedding shoot, bridal shoots, engagement shoots, paper card shoots, you know, any type of shoot where you want. Sexy shoot, Ebony shoots, male shoot, music videos, dance or hip hop, reggae, Afro beats, whatever, Trinidad, whatever, what type of content you want, we can create it. You understand? So right now, people, we're gonna take a walk out and get this vlog done. So I'll see you guys outside. Yes, we people. So now we're outside of the Bluffs. And this side is the beach parking. Alright, so this side is the beach side. Like me, I go do a part 1 and part 2 of the Bluffs. Alright, so the sun just a come out and thing like that. I try avoid parking right now, so I try to hurry up and make this video. So I go on, because I try to pay me, I try to pay me, I even drop a donation and become a member on the channel. So I go hurry up and try to do this vlog video. So we need no problem. So we're going to walk through the wood side right now after Bluffs. So right here is the parking lot after Bluffs. So you want to come here, sir. Sleep on some of days like this, and today I'm going to be a little bit hot. So I'm going to be gloomy right now. So you know, want to come so early like me. But in the summertime now, with like the hours, after like 12 o'clock, when the place start get hot and thing, you're going to want to come down here. So I down here side the spot. But we are going to open up an eye and talk about why I like down here. So, alright, I'm going to show you there. No man, when we walk back through, we showing you that still. But now, it's my favorite part, a walk part. When I always just walk through and talk to you, you see it. And yeah, respect to everybody again who's been liking the vlogs, been supporting from day one, and like this type of nature, type of vibe video, you know. Go back to the roots of how the channel started. I know we always make it work, you know what I mean? This is where we started from, you know, my people. Going around and shooting different park videos and different vlogs and stuff like that in Toronto. And we'll go back on it. This is the 2025 vlog tour of the Scarborough Bluff, part 1. I don't know when I'm going to do part 2 on the other side. Probably Monday, because I think I have a photo shoot over there. And again, my people, if you need a photographer for wedding, music video, photo shoots, or any media content related videos, you can always contact me and make me know what I want. But look over here, so nice, my people. This reminds me of like me up a Blue Mountain in Jamaica, and I walk. You see it? Yeah, man. That's all this place reminds me. Like me there Blue Mountain, and we take a stroll, and I walk and I talk to you. You see it? But yeah, man. I wish for this. You know this party that remind me like, cause what day me there Jamaica. Them have a place at Kingston. Them have a waterfall up there, but a lot of people don't know say them have a waterfall, you know. Hello. I think it's called Fallen Edge Falls or something like that. You drive this, and you're going way up in the hills in a St. Andrew. Yeah, man. Nice waterfall. But you know my best waterfall I ever been to? What day, yeah? Out of Buffs. I can't remember the falls name, you know. Go out there to try to shoot a music video, but time catch up on we. But I can't remember the falls, you know. But I love to go back at the falls. The falls are nice. Nah lie to you. I wish you know say I go type in some waterfalls this year in a Toronto. No, because we not have no waterfalls in a Toronto. Then we have a nice waterfalls or Albion waterfalls in a Hamilton. Yeah, man. Then we have a nice waterfall over this, you know. But then block it off because 2 people jump off and go dead. So, then block off the falls. So, I have to go start Google waterfalls area and go check them the one out and get a drive out and go check those ones out and probably I'll do some camping there. Why not? You know what I mean? Call it a day. Simple as that. So, yeah, man. Around here, so I saw a place there around here, so, you know. More time, I do video around here, so the first time. Because to them have coyote, they will live around here, you know. So sometimes I type afraid, you know. Because coyote, you know, when they come take off my chicken legs. God. You see it? But more time I'll go up on the cliff up there, so, you know, my people. And stand up and shoot down video from way up, so. Yeah, man, I used to ride all my bicycle. All the way around the area, man. People sometimes used to say, when I just come to Canada, you know, man. I ride all my bicycle from my yard, go straight downtown, you know, man. Back and forth, you know. Yeah, man. From me, I'm a bicycle, man. And me and God, man, on my bicycle. Try and get back on a bicycle and do some bicycle tour video. So then make sure I say, no climbing at the Bluffs, cause them thing they're not steady. They make a thing, them hilltop thing there, they're not steady. You see it, so anything can go on at any moment. So again, when people we're on the beach side of the Scarborough Bluffs, and I'll go on a nice walk through. This part now, when you walk them part here, it's a little bit easier for you, because you don't have to walk through the sand and stuff for not having no luggage and stuff, and I say, yo, boom, you go fly boat. I say all one at a time, them, you know, get in my head all this year, you know. Someone, because me love my jerk chicken, but I start a thing called jerk chicken Fridays at the Bluffs. Yeah, man. But you don't have to, pay for parking. You know, a lot of people don't like to pay for parking. Just like myself, yeah. God knows, I'm not going to lie to you. Then you get your ticket and you're like, go ahead and give me a ticket for. It was my bad, because I didn't want to pay for parking. But actually, I just know I'm not there for too long. I'm there for an hour. Yes, you can just pay for, oh God, people. It's all anything you may go through phone. You know. Muck. Oh gosh. Alright, we made it. God bless. Yeah, man, one night I him, one coyote there right so. I walk through the bush and the boy see me, you know. I still think him gonna come off of my chicken legs. God no, still think the boy I say yes, fresh meat. Yeah, man, I only part time I see them, man. Coyotes no joke. Hunted down like fresh meat. It's like a river and you see a shrimp. And you hunt him down like fresh meat. You want to catch him, you see a big fish. And you want to shoot the fish there. Yeah, man, coyote run a dog, man. Take you off like fresh meat. Hungry them hungry. One piece of your legs. And my little chicken legs them. Hey, you know so them are going to attack me. But yeah, right now people will come out. Right now, them always have a little stream. I don't know where the water you run from, but it always come from the hilltop. So I don't know if a spring type of water or a dirty water from the road or run come down in it or what. But me now go test it. Sad to say. So yeah, we're gonna walk out. This place kind of wetty, you know. And show you guys how the Bluffs, the beach side of the Bluffs looks. I think we have our next probably 20 minutes more walk because we have to go around to the Lighthouse and all of that. So now look at it. This is the Scarborough Bluffs. Nice, right? Yeah, my people, this is the Scarborough Bluffs right here. That's how it looks. So this is the 2025 Scarborough Bluffs tour. Alright, my people. Sometime right that's me do camping. So I don't know if you guys want to do camping with 416 one day. Wanna just let me know. But this is how the beach side look and everything. You can see the cleaners them out. Them are set up for your nose. So don't you gonna be busy today. Cause today is not that cold. So it's gonna be a really busy day. A lot of big people come down here and do bonfires and stuff like that. Jamaicans underneath come out and start all bonfires. Me attract people in Jamaica, you know. You see, they need to lit down everything over else. Make it flat and clean like this. And then restore it to a proper destination for locals and tourists, and build up nice restaurants and clubs along the coastline properly. Because you see the water come in and take away place. They need to really invest back on Elsha as a tourist destination, location, just like how them do to Ochi and Mobile. Look how them big Marganity Beach over Ochi. And you can fix up back Elsha or fix up some part over Elsha. When you can do the same thing as. You understand? Because right as you see, even people, Ontario, I lose so much money right now. See all of this little coastline right here, so over there, so right as a net, because everybody come out and do camping, netball and volleyball and stuff like that, vibe out, you know, play their music, enjoy yourself, you know. But imagine, I don't know if anyone ever been to the Dominican Republic and went to a place called Scarborough Beach, right? That's why I know say Canada lose money per revenue, you know. Alright, let's go. Alright, so them used to have Wasaga Beach, and Wasaga Beach up at Beachside. I always have local bars, the entertainment section along the coast. I go straight down. Why you can't do that for the 6 months out of the month then? Grand permits, people, may I tell you my people, imagine you have bars going straight down the line. Bars and restaurants and lounges going straight down the line. For summertime, how just a pack up, you know, my people. How just a pack up, you know. You pay for security and police, you know. Always maintain the place you have your workers. That are more jobs for people. I mean, I tell you, say, people would have come out in a flying colors, because me that would have done your toto. In the night time, you close it off 3 o'clock, you know, say, everything done at 3 o'clock, call it a day, just like the club industry. You know what I mean? Alcohol cancel after 2 o'clock and boom, boom, boom. You know? But me I tell us over yesterday, fuck off. Our people at night time, you know, my people. And enjoy the night with the hey. You know, easy if you just lock up in your house. Because most of the time, you know, if you call somebody, me guarantee you, if you call somebody in Canada, right now on your phone, them either tell you, say, you know, so me there at work, me there in my car, or me there in my yard. Them not nowhere else. Me I tell you that straight. So imagine you have a nice little lounge, you can come out, you say, oh no, boom, fish and fry over local restaurant there. You make out some Caribbean spot, make you feel like you're back home or something like that. You know, you have a different, you just make this a Caribbean festival place for the summertime. Call it a day then. You get this year for to Caribbean people. You get next year for just all Canadian products, poutine, all of them things, the bacon, you know what I mean, the steak, the Newfoundland lobsters and stuff, you know what I mean, the Canadian bacon and all of them things there. And then the other areas, or you mix it, like how them that have all the steakhouse, road tour, them come down here, so come do that a big thing now in summertime, you know my people. Yo, Canada, I need to talk to me, you know. And I lose money, millions of dollars. Down here, so you make one at Woodbine Beach, and you make one right here, so. God know. You know I make money, killing the money. You have to open up on the parking lot more. People are going to get tickets like forever. People are probably just have to park up on top of the hill like I'm going to do. For the next video, I'm going to walk from top of the hill. I'm going to go drive when you see the driving part and come down. But this place has so much of potential to be one of the best places right now. Imagine that, you know, man. Imagine just beer lounge and bars. Just going down the strip. Yeah, man, cleaners. Bless up, cleaner, daddy. You know, see, cleaner there. You see, and everybody racist in Canada, you know. Man never have to say hi to me. I walk around with a camera. Never had to say hi. Not everybody is bad in Canada, my people. You find your one and two racist people, and you move on. Black people are racist too. You find one and two black people over here, they not even like them own color. Racist towards them own self. But they ain't the idea for their life that, you see it. So right now, look how you so long me I walk with people, and you tell me say, oh, like you so can't full off beer bars and restaurant. Even if pizza want for there, Tim Hortons want for there. Whoever, me I tell you say them I can make crazy money down here, so. Crazy. And you tell me say, Tim Hortons, KFC, even KFC. Me I tell you say, KFC drop a spot right there, so down here, so Burger King, McDonald's, look up them, you know, you get a burger them from that, you know, really run no big thing like that, you put your thing them in a air skirt, you see it, and you just know, say, yeah, you have a capital down here, so to straight. Come on, you could double cheeseburger, you McGrill or whatever, you could fry poutine or, you know, pizza is same thing, you know, everything already ready make or you can order a specialized pizza or you buy a piece, slice them and thing cause you don't know you know try fulfill a spot down yourself. See them in the Jamaican restaurants them now. You see it? Jamaican restaurant them come through, the Caribbean restaurant them. Now I say in Jamaica, the Caribbean couple roti could sell too. Couple of Asian food can go on too, or go on Asian. You see it? Me I try to say. So at the end of the day, a lot of people can benefit. Couple Asian food can go on. You see it? You know? Some stir-fry rice, some fried chicken, you know? Some oxtail on the grill, some jerk oxtail. Wow, go on, fam. I said, you can hear them, man. Wow, go on, fam. So you can hear them people them talk, you know? Cha. But I'm just trying to say, you know what? This place have potential to do a lot of things, but I don't know if it's like government type of vibe, but if government give me this property, yeah, might be 1 or 2 shootings here and there, call it a day, cause shit, it's just life, man. You go have a girl who like the man there, she in a relationship, the man don't like the man there, and boom, fight kick off and people get shot. Or boom, the man they see one man we ain't like, and boom, she kick off. Or boom, the girl they see one girl she don't like, and boom, she kick off. So it doesn't matter wherever you go. This happen everywhere when you have entertainment spots like that. You understand? But these spots are still bringing in revenue for you guys. You understand? So it's not like it's not bringing in revenue. It's bringing in revenue to the country. And that's what country need. Even now, right now, me I say now, boom, back to Elsha. I would have lit down everything over Elsha. Because Elsha is a destination spot, you know. Elsha in Jamaica right now, Portmore Elsha, is a spot. My virgin, where you from, my virgin?
I was born here.
How is Canada to you for the last couple of years?
Why?
No, to me I do a vlog, I just do a vlog about Woodbine Beach, you know.
It's okay.
So you enjoy Canada.
I don't have a problem.
You know, alright, what's the potential you think Woodbine Beach could I see? Like you ever traveled before?
Not too much.
You ever been to Dominican Republic?
No.
So yeah, why you don't want to travel?
I just haven't had the time or the money to go anywhere.
And you're born here. So life is really hard here too.
Yeah.
So I tell a Jamaica, alright, so imagine if you were an immigrant coming here. You know how much harder for your immigrant then now?
Well, pretty hard, yeah.
Cause if it's rough for you, imagine a man like me when I'm born here, grew up born in Jamaica and come here. Me, if it's even more rougher.
Yeah.
You see where we go from still?
Yeah.
I don't want to keep up your time, you know. I just try to see landscape, but I just say, oh, imagine now. I just try to say, right? Imagine now, just look on it. Summertime comes and all of this place is full of bars and lounge where people can come and enjoy themselves.
Right.
You see where I'm going from right there?
Yeah.
You don't think this place will be packed, jam-packed? Them not even have parking lots can fit these type of people. You see where I'm going from?
Yeah.
Just jam, just nice bar lounge and everything like that, just spread out.
Yeah.
You know, you want to have a one beer, you want to have a one drink, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
That would be dope as hell. Just like, you ever been to Wasaga Beach?
No.
Up by Berry area.
I've heard about it, but no, I never.
But them lit them down. I saw Wasaga Beach used to look. But there's a place in Dominican Republic called Scarborough Beach, right?
Yeah.
All of that landscape right there would have been just a lounge area, bars and lounge, go straight back down and you have your beachfront side.
Yeah.
And people just enjoying their vibe, living. You understand? That's tourism for you. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The government and make a good food, you know. People can open up the restaurants, some Caribbean people, because that's more like a Caribbean vibe type or Mediterranean type of vibe too,
What
Italian.
about the winter though? What do you do?
No, it's just for that 6 months period.
Okay.
You understand me? I'm trying to say? So you start in May, and by November it's cut off. That's it.
Okay.
And then whatever they shut down, you come back again the next, because it's a seasonal job. You understand me? I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I understand.
I think that would have been dope still though.
Yeah.
But bless up yourself and remember them say I take a one drink and I smoking in the mornings, so you don't know. Because we have to get our vibe straight, right? Bless up yourself. Blessings here, daddy. Alright then. You see? People them coming down here early, you know my people, and like it's gonna rain. I might have to leave soon, but more have to walk around on the next side too to show you guys how it looks. So you see? People come already and set up them things and having fun already. Is it? Multicultural city we're living in there. Asian, black, white. All these people are here, ready to enjoy, having fun, eating and all that stuff. Yeah man, set up your tent. Is it? People cook up food already. It's just only 10 o'clock in the morning, you know, my people. Only 10 o'clock in the morning. Alright? Remember me tell you that. Just 10 o'clock in the morning. People start playing their music. Because people just want to get away from this madness lifestyle that's out there. Because people really in born in Canada, you know. You hear him born and grow in Canada. And he say hard for him. So imagine an immigrant who come here. It's not twice as hard for the immigrant there who live over here. And not see that. Because we immigrant people are trying to build a house home and build back a house and try to buy a house over here. So it make it twice as hard. So at the end of the day, you have to just stay focused. And more time my head just get chip. Like my head get chip what the year. Yeah. My head get chip. I'm going to the worst depression, anxiety and panic attack in my life. Yeah, I can come and I can talk about it. Call it a day. But now I understand this is what life is. This is what people go through. Straight through, round the clock. And I'm me alone. Because when I start YouTube up these stuff and boom, 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 me and say, and I'm me alone I go through them problem, yeah. You understand? But me just that try fight if you say, yo, boom, me I try to hurry up. Build this house at Jamaica. Boom, me I try to do this quick and fast. One house, so try to bring 2 girls and call it a day. No, life no work. 1 year time. Life work on God time. And sometimes we just need to balance out and just know that say, oh, what you can do, you just can't do. You see, what you can't do, you can't do. And when you see a negative energy, learn to just stay away from negative people, negative conversation, negative vibe. Anything I got trigger the anxiety and your, what they call, your panic attack, trauma and stuff like that. You just keep it in and just know, so you know what? Walk it out, or take a drive out and call it a day. Because some of them people they drive you mad. Some of them people will drive you crazy. For no reason at all. Like you'd have some people out there, you know, clap for you, you know. So yeah man, you go on. Go on man, you do it best. You do the better thing, man. Right? And then you'd have some of the people out there. And that same person out there. That same person who clap for you, you know, my people. I wish badness behind your back. Because them don't want you to make it, you know. You're so sad that life is. Them don't want you to make it out there. Them a clap for you. It's like you bring somebody from Jamaica and that you stagnant and you help the person that come from Jamaica. You see it? And the person goes up, bam, radam. Open up a trucking company, radam. Build a house at Jamaica, radam. And I go and do it and I fight it same way. And you stagnant with your life. And you say, go on youth. But you don't really want the youth to go on. Because you bring him from Jamaica and the man pass you. Now what you could have done. And then you go sit down on it and say, oh, me help out the youth there and this and that. You help the youth for come here. What you want the youth for to pay you back for come here. Whatever money it costs for come here, okay, fix up the bill. We send it to you. You understand? Simple as that. So you can't go back and say, oh, I help the youth. Yes, you did help the person. The person not selfish or say, oh, I'm ungrateful for coming here. The person come here and try to do better. For go back at home. Because you don't know so Jamaica our yard. You understand? Or if you want to just stay here, but the people must try to make them life better. Be financially stable one day. So they can say, yeah, man, I have to work no more, you know. There's some life there, you know. But nobody know what the future brings. Nobody know. Like, don't you see them clean up, don't you see it look like a beach type of vibe, you know. But people say they don't want to go in the water yet, dirty. People, go up on our camera. The water dirty. Here. Dirty water from here, sir. You don't want to come here to come swim. You're mad, man. Crazy. And people come out here come swim. Probably on the beach side, them try to clean it out. Coming back filthy water, this is not lake water, you know. It come from hills and sewage and all of them things they dropping it in and like the water here. A disease I want to catch off of that, man. Remember me tell you that. But yeah, we still have walk on the tour now, people. We still have walk and go around to the end of the tour. Some people see the boss, them, you know. But them are the big boss, you know. Them call wicked ducks, yeah. Them goose, yeah. But them are the big boss. You saw them ready to come attack, you know. Watch him. So you can't touch them, you know. You hear him? What your problem? You think you're better than me? Eh? You think you're better than me? Yeah, I'm not thinking of bad. Your bigger daddy not there, you know. Yeah. Where big boy them there? Where white boy them there? Eh? Where big boy them there? And go on like them body, see? Sure. Let me body up, you know, my people. People, more up and go finish this vlog here, cause I have to go back to my car. But yeah, it's like some people just bring you down here to drain back your energy if you try to do better than them in your life. Or you know, you try to do better than them, you know. You just say, you know what, I'm there for your purpose. I'm going to fight it if you just try. So you can be proud and say, yo, I help the youth there, you know. And the youth they come to Canada and they accomplish something in my life. In your life, I can say I'm proud of the person. And then can't look like them not proud of people. You must not do it. Them want you to do good, you know. To me look at it. Them want you to do good, but not better than them. And a whole heap of people must stay so. Because from me start build my house at Jamaica. Whole heap of people say, yeah man. And when it done, and them see me down there fight it. They might send that one message and say, yeah man, youth, you do the right thing. But you know, say me I try if you do something like that too. Well, you have to bring that up. You couldn't just say, yo, yeah, me I do the right thing and just end it there, so. Me I try if you do something like that, you know. Stop the trying and do it. No more trying, not dead, my people. No more trying, not dead. Just do it and done. Call it a day. You understand? I want to know over this too, you know. If you do it and done too, you know. Start. Because if there's no start, there's no finish. So what you mean? You have to start the project so you can finish. You understand? Simple as that. But again, we're there at Scarborough Bluff, my people. And we are walk through. You know why I like the Scarborough Bluff them? Then give them things. Them even put grills. You have to come with your file paper and stuff though. But grill cheap, you can do your own thing. But they even have the grills, them people. You can bun 2 jerk chicken, bun 2 hot dog, bun some steak and burger, half a cup on this. If you name pork, you can name pork over here too. Yeah, me not eat pork. Code. Oh, yeah. But me I try to work on to the lighthouse area right now. And yeah, look at the view. Scarborough Bluffs. If you don't want to come back and do one in the sun hot heat, and the one there I will be a membership video. God knows, because I can't help you so much and I support the channel, my people. And I even bring me up to 20,000 subscribers yet. Bring me up to 20,000 subscribers. I do anything I want to do upon this. Yeah, man. That's a code. But right now we're walking up to the lighthouse. Right now. Yeah, man. But I wish if Jamaica have some places like this. And Jamaica do have places like this. But place where people can come camp out, cause I try to do a thing called, oh people, it's gonna rain, you know. So I got more so I want to go to the lighthouse and hurry up and run go back, because I could see the water. The drippings are come down. And I can't get wet up with this camera or me get sick. So I'm trying to walk to the lighthouse right here, so I can say I reach the lighthouse for one. So this is one of the small. The sun I try to come out, you know, but the rain I got come because they say it's supposed to rain all morning and evening. So I try to just escape that and get this out of the way. I see the white boss them. Okay, I don't see none of the white boss them around here. So I say white boss them are the bigger geese them or goose or whatever they call them. But yeah, boss them there. Yeah, my people, so right now we just reached the lighthouse. That's a code at the Scarborough Bluffs. Yeah, man. We just reached the lighthouse. You understand? So this is a nice spot. You can come and chill out with your people them. At the end of the day, can have a fun time around here. So, but yeah, this is the lighthouse area. We outside, rocks them and stuff, you know. This and people look like an ocean, eh? Just know so it's a lake, you know, man. And this is a Scarborough Bluff part 1 video tour. I don't know what the white look like a maras or seaweed. But yeah, man, down there so dirty, me people. If I can zoom, no, I can't zoom. Down the dirty, so if I can't swim in this, me afraid, you know. My brother have him boat say, I'll go out there one at a time, them see if we can. Him say salmon and them type of fish that out there. Or we can go catch. So, one at a time, then we'll probably go out there and see if we can get some salmon also and come jerk it up, come grill it up, Jamaican style, steam him down on the Bluffs or Woodbine Beach, one of them. Or even probably more go east side, Port Hope or them area there. Because my bridging say, you see salmon a jump from left to right. That's why I don't know to you know, my people. You have to get your fishing license. Jamaica, I don't know, as a normal, just a local youth, I have to get the fishing license. I don't know, so I can't say, probably have to ask Napa that in Jamaica. I'm responsible for tourism and wildlife and stuff like that in Jamaica. So I don't know, I can't recall on it. But me watch YouTubers and I don't think them have no. Or unless you have the commercial fishing, you probably need a license in Jamaica. But other than that, I don't think you need no license. Get up, go catch some fish. Stop being lazy. Get up. Come out of your house. You want a river around your corner. Go and go through sunline. Virgin said the best way to catch some fish too, you know. When I go set up my trap them, go buy some trap, some crayfish trap. And I go throw me a whole heap of coconut on the tree them around my area. I go pick off a couple of them. And him tell me say, you know what you have to do, Jay? What him say? He say like put them over fire so them the aroma and the smell can come out of them. It's like you jerk the coconut them, bust them. It's like you jerk coconut, you understand? God no. It's like you jerk coconut and I put in the trap them to catch a crayfish them or whatever fish or even want to come in, you know. So that's gonna be the next trip I'm gonna do. Like Mr. People, the next trip I'm gonna do at Jamaica. God help me, so and not about the house no more, cause I don't know finance and building materials not cheap, and me not try to go back on the stressful route to make that stress me out, because me I try rush. Me just I go do what me can do in my means and call it a day. You see it, and people out there in the desperate, people in a foreign country, just do what you can do. Because me I tell you, say, stress is a hell of a drug. Stress with depression leads to stroke. And you don't want that happen to you. I'm always telling you, don't look upon people's life for what them have. Look upon your life and your journey and look what you have. Because a lot of people don't have what you have, but you have something. And them not have nothing, and them look upon your life. And the person, they probably look upon film life and say, no, so me have a lot more than the next person. So this life is just a different type of mentality. It's like your mentality have to be so strong to enjoy life these days. Me not tell you no lie. Cause it's hard. If you have a positive mentality every single day, it's very hard. 1 and 2 times you probably break. Yeah, you probably broke. I mean, not say broke financially, you know. I say broke in your mid space. Your mindset just gone. Left your body, gone. You just freak out. Too much stress will reach you. And more time you're there back and you come back positive. And you're a scare. You understand? So people out there, again, it's very, very hard. This life is a battle. But we have to overcome it with anything you can do. But if you keep it positive, like me, this was one of my breakaway. If you keep positive and my mind flow and be happy. Because I normally say, you know what, go buy a one beer and just go walk. And then I start pick up the camera and say, you know what, I'm going to talk my experience and show the places. And that's how me really start. Yes, so me use this as a breakaway. If you say, you know what, why not? Get up and go show the places them, man. Get up, go do that. If you're not here work right now or whatever. You understand? Yeah, see the dance them again. Dan Dada I call them here. Them not afraid of nobody. Them hunt you down and pick you. You know like them. They are Jamaica will cook you here, that may make you know. Think on the body? Yeah, talk it behind them back though, cause them are wicked people. Them boy them are protected by Canada. Can't do them nothing. Remember me tell you that. Because they hunt them and kill them like them. Them Indian people over here, them ramp with the them pigeon in man. You think Jamaican people have pigeon? Them man catch all pigeon in them bag and go here go cook it as fowl there. Remember me tell you that. So everybody out here, I try to enjoy themselves and I try to live them life and I stay on a positive route, my people, at the end of the day. And we all have to just try to do that. Sometimes the devil come in to really harm you and hurt you. Because sometimes you're out there, I try. And all the trying what you do, it's like no hope, no daddy, no space, no daddy. Nothing what you do can't make you deal with all a woman, or the woman deal with all a man. I say vice versa, hear me people, so don't put it no way. And everything you do, you just not feel appreciated or anything like that. Just want to take a walk and stop in an argument with people. Because you drain your life energy. The more you argue with people. And sometimes, you know, you just want to argue to make them let off what they want to let off, and you want to let off what you want to let off. Just because you just want to have a clean slate the next day. You understand? And that's what I'm going to start do. Let off what you need to let off, me let off. But now, I don't got nothing more to let off in our life. Don't cut off the people them. People them don't cut me off already. And life goes on. From there, that's it. You hate me or you love me. But look on all little nice people. May I tell you, so them take advice. People, watch out them little nice beach house there. It's a restaurant, you know. But imagine, yo, me tell you, say, Elsha, boy, yo, boy, them a demolish the place badly. Elsha can be a nice. Elsha can come back to the tourism. Elsha can really rebuild itself. Yeah. Alright then. Out of Fort Henry's. Right, this back road. Spotted them. I don't know what the beach called now. He might do him thing. But right this but I say push it back a little bit. And that can be a big investment type of property also. With beer bars and lounge. Right off the beach coast. I make the people in the pay rent. Build up because the stalls them pay your rent. And you want high quality, foreign looking type. I would just want you guys to type in Cabaret Beach, man. God no. And it's a different type of lifestyle over there. And that's the lifestyle I would love to see Jamaica move to. As a tourism culture. You understand? Like, Jamaica have so much more growth left in it. And you don't even understand. But all of them, most people say, are the crime and violence and this and that. And the Chinese, them not look upon it that way. The Indian them, the Serbian them not look upon it that way. The people more come, you know, come back for the land of Jamaica and foreign people, you know, because they see the investment of Jamaica. Jamaica is like one of the #1 Caribbean island destination for tourism to come. Jamaica built itself, dancehall, reggae. You understand? The beautiful beaches. Although I like Cuba beach better. But when I do a 7 Mile beach, come on now. When I do a Ocho Race beach, I just don't like seaweed and maras. That's why me complain. You understand? From the seaweed and stuff can clear up. I got no problem with Jamaica. But that's me. That's different for everybody. You understand? But Jamaica can come back, my people. How much waterfalls and this, hot bath, all this and things. Jamaica can really fix up, you know, my people. Jamaica can fix up. Let's go see what these guys have on their table over here. See if I can videotape them things, you know. Man, I'm out here jerking chicken early, fam. Oh, go on. Just go ask them, you know. Blessings. I'm just trying to show off you guys, you know, cooking and stuff. See?
We're a robotics team. We do.
Come again?
We're a high school robotics team.
Yeah.
So we like go to robotics competitions, we build robots, and then this is what we do for fun after.
That's it. So wait, what you guys have a Instagram page you want to shout out?
Yeah, we do actually.
Wait, 9062 Milliken or
no,
I don't care about 9062.
See them outside. You're jerking them, could jerk chicken and stuff like that.
Here, this is our Instagram page.
And I want you guys to
My friends, where are you guys?
check it out, huh?
Where are you guys?
Oh, we're worldwide.
You're an influencer?
Yeah, a YouTuber. 416-876 Jamaica. So I do a lot of Canadian vlogs and a lot of Jamaican vlogs. So like showing people around Canada, I do a lot of park videos, mall, showing off the different ghettos and stuff like that, showing off the different beaches and all that stuff. And then when I'm in Jamaica, show people to build houses and stuff like that, you know. So I love it. It's the youths, some people. See, these are youths, man, doing all of this, you know. So bless up on yourself, you know. I was just walking past and seeing everything, you know.
Nice meeting you.
Bless up yourself, you know.
Super hard robotics.
Yeah.
We built a robot, so we won the provincial championship this year.
Okay.
We went to the world championship, and then this is what we do to celebrate.
Oh, so now you're celebrating right now.
It's like once a month during the summer. We all
Oh, nice. And I'm happy for you guys, man. Bless up yourself. Hear me, bro. All right, my people. See, I'm going to jerk up them chicken.
Hopefully we don't burn any chicken today.
That's all cool. All right, bless up you guys. All right, cool. All right, say it, man. All right, you see? People them out here enjoying themselves. And you see that? Them not sit down in an argument and not worried people. Man, them build robots. And mechanical thing, engineering. And you go tell me, say, these youth in Jamaica sit down and I think about the next lane and them in a problem and war. Them youth out there say them a celebrate because them a build robots for push them economy, for push the mentality of human beings to the next generation. And over this I kill up, brother. Jamaican smart up, man. Smart up, just smart up for once, man. And I'm not talking about all the Jamaicans. It's just these devilish people who have no rights in this life. Better God, you just step back on your life. And I wouldn't even say that, because that's bad to say. At the end of the day, because people can change. But when are they going to change? It's like you bring every day you try to help that one person. You help the person for 10, 20 years, 30 years. And they still can't change. How long you going to sit down there to help them to change? How long? Them not willing for change. Them not willing for change. Them not willing. Oh crap. This is just what life is. But yeah, well, people, you can see that they have the bathrooms and everything open now too to tourists and people who come here. You have a male, female, handicap bathroom and everything. You have a one little trucks that comes around here and stuff. Hopefully I don't get a parking ticket because these ticket managers are waiting. But too much car down here yet, By 12 o'clock come, you will see all the ticket man them roll out. I'm not lie to you. The ticket man them gonna roll out in abundance, just like yesterday. Come down here today. Yesterday I'm supposed to do a vlog, but you come down here in a tank top, marina. I couldn't do the vlog. God bless, I didn't get no ticket on my car. So that's a code. So yeah, people, I'm just gonna go on a driving vlog, heading out. I'm gonna see if I could suck this on. I'll probably just put it up top and just put out my hand again and do a driving vlog heading out and show you the drive view and probably talk a little bit more. But yeah, my people, subscribe to the channel 416 to 876 Jamaica. And if you're not happy to see this type of content, we'll be making more of them. And we'll walk on the talk. Some of them content them, And we have part 2 of the Bluffs, guys. It's a really big place. This was just the beach side. We're gonna go around to the boat side and our next beach side around there too. So if you're coming to Toronto and you want to come enjoy yourself and vibe out, come cook some jerk chicken like the boss them down there do, you can. Because Toronto is a nice place to live at too. I don't see no problem with Canada, just the winter and the cold. And so you have some bad mind people, but when you stay in a your own lane, that's a cold. Some people, I jump back in IKEA right now and show you guys over there, so that's a code. So yeah, my people, right now we're gonna be driving out off the Bluffs area. So hopefully, I can't really see the camera. Make sure it's centered. No, I don't want to show it like that. Oh yeah, make sure it's centered. And yeah, we're driving outside now to the Bluffs. And I want to just show you guys what we can see heading out and talk to you guys a little bit more. So yeah, my people, this is the lifestyle of Canada. Summertime, if you don't want to stay in your yard, you have rich white friends, rich black friends who have boats and stuff. That's the best thing in the summertime. Or if you're just like the outdoors like me, you get your fishing license and thing and try to go catch some fish. And that's what we're going to be doing this year, my people. Because we're not on no more negative vibe with nobody. No girl, no family, no house in Jamaica to hold me back. No nothing this year. Just work, pay the bills we got to pay, and enjoy our life. Because people, let me tell you something. Staying down in depression is one of the hardest things to ever do to yourself. Stress, and you think what you're stressed over mean a lot to you, and it doesn't. It just doesn't, you know what I mean? So I just gotta pay to learn the price, you understand? So I paid to learn, call it a day. But I could come here and just tell them and say, listen, God have a plan for every single one of us. Some of them probably believe in God at the end of the day too. But me, just I say, I just have my thing that, you know. Father God, me say, my God is probably not be the same God you worship or you love at the end of the day. But God a God and a one God. Talk about Jesus. Jesus was not a God. People are gonna probably beat me for that and say, oh, la, 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 la. No, human beings can't be God. It's not an entity. You understand? Call it a day. But we're not talking about that. Look at the view. Yeah, go out, my people. So this is the view of leaving. People, if you like videos like this, I could do a lot of videos. Me put it upon the stabilizer, car mount and mount it up, and we just drive and talk. So if you want to see more drive and talk videos just like this, my people, showing off different neighborhoods and come in the neighborhoods and stuff, and we can get it done. Yeah, I think we could get those type of videos done if you guys want. Still, I'm not even gonna lie. So anybody out there want to reach out and support the channel, sponsorships or whoever, promote your brands or anything like that, we can get it done. All right, so call it a day. But yeah, this is now leaving the Scarborough Bluffs for part 1 of the video. Part 2 I'll probably do the same thing. But yeah, this is the vibe. You see all the people might come down right now. But me, don't my mind don't watch out. This is a nice Benz. Oh Lord, look at this Benz. Yeah. But again, they probably financing it. And me financing people, me not like financing because nobody knows what tomorrow's bring. And that's why I'm not like finance. Like same with the house thing at Jamaica. Everybody's like, yo, just put on the money we have and just get 2 apartments uptown and call it a day. But what if you go get sick and you can't pay the bill? The bank will go take back your place and you lose all your money. You and them have to go through hustling, okay, sell the place or this or that. So me just never like them type of vibe there, you know, my people. So that's why me go to Jamaica go build a house. Because nobody knows what the next days bring. You understand? So you have to do what you have to do at the end of the day. Me can't tell you what to do, you know. But if you want to go finance a car, you finance it. If you don't have to finance a car, do not. Because one time I go finance a car, you know, my people. The car was $7,000. Was Mazda 3. About 2022, I'll probably buy the car there, right? 2023. I finance the car there, you know, my people. So I get the car for $7,000. I put on $3,000 put on $4,000 on the car. So you know, so I only finance $3,000 borrow from the bank, right? Or the loan company, right? Oh, tell me no, that $3,000 reached $10,000. Me open this car because then say my credit was bad and this and that. I mean, I say, what? So me that I have to pay for almost 5 months. But it don't make no sense, people. Live in between your means. If you can't afford a $3,000 car, you buy the $3,000 car and call it a day. Just come in by now, we only need to move from point A to point B. But we younger, you want nice up car, because you want the girls around you, and this and that. Same girls are drugs. Then girl left you as soon and have nothing. I talk from the man point of view here, girls, so sorry for all the females who are watching the channel. As I'm just a man too, you know. Me just talk my experience, you know. Them same people that will left you. Call today. So this LCBO yesterday, people. The one on the right here, right? So yesterday now, we there, so we go buy some wine. And 2 black guys, I don't know their background, like they were stealing alcohol. And the people were inside, the people who were working are like, why is he acting up? We're the ones supposed to act up because we caught you stealing alcohol from the place and we banned you and kicked you out. So he's like, yo, wait until I catch you on a block, eh? Wait, but you are the one that thief alcohol, brother. You are the one that thief it, you know. I know the people them in there are thief it. And you are thief the alcohol and then know you're gonna bad up yourself like you're the biggest gangster. Hey, gangsters over here gone down fast, you know. Cause police in Canada don't play with people. Period, you know. Police not play with them over here. So here, you know, Jamaica where they hold up one thing. Canada, a different vibe. From in catch you do any little thing, illegal thing, you just know say you're gone. And I just saw the vibe is over here. Like Canada vibe is like I said, you can come over here, people, and you change your life. America, I stay America alone when I drive trucking, so I don't know. England, I never been to England, but probably have to go there one at a time then, because I'm gonna be a vlogger. More have to travel every different part of the countries. But first of all, more have to travel Canada fully, because I'm gonna just do a van life tour in Canada, and I'm going to do a van life tour in Jamaica. So if anybody want to contribute to that one at a time, then let me know. Yeah, help me buy a van, I'm going to tour the country yourself. Yeah, so I can show on you. Simple as that. Yeah, man. Let me tour Canada. The whole part of Canada. Just drive and drive. Try to do photo shoots, music videos along my way. Try to make a life off that. Now if I sit down and I work for people all the time too. Yeah, not gonna lie to you. I will not lie to you, my people. You understand? I'm not gonna lie to you ever. Did I ever lie to you guys ever? No. You can't say me lie to me ever, you know. But that I just scored. So if you know what, help me out. The next vlog is gonna have some t-shirts. It's called Lifestyle in the 6, or even in this video, I'm gonna show you some prototypes I have. And if I can get 100 sales on them, me myself, I built them, print them, and all that stuff. Tell me your size, what you want to wear. It's called Lifestyle in the 6. I've been having that brand for over 10 years now, but my mindset never told me to sell, right? So shut up, man. My mindset never told me to sell it, right? So I still got a page on Instagram and everything. But if you guys really want to support though, you guys let me know. And you guys can help the channel like that, you know. And I could even help people more in Jamaica, because we can even have a Lifestyle in the 6 food charity program in Linstead, helping out the homeless, or the 416 to 876 channel, helping out the homeless in Jamaica, you know what I mean? And that's where my mind is at, because at the end of the day, when I look at this lifestyle, I see these billionaires, what they have. Some of these people are killing themselves for no reason. And you have billions of dollars, and you're not. These people have so much money, and they can't help nobody. Why is that? Why? $1 billion can help so much people in this world, but the world never cut out for people to do that. You understand? The world must cut out for, so you have to strive for to make it yourself. And that's what I see in this lifestyle. You understand? So nothing no put on there for nobody if you go try to say skirt. You understand? But life is just that. But then the idea, God are God. And what you can do is reach out to me and buy 2 t-shirts. Please buy 2 t-shirts, because I'm going to start promote my life. I always want to promote that brand. I don't know why, but I always want to promote the lifestyle. And even see the Director G. Sorry, take off this. See the Director G. Come on, man. See the Director J jackets too. We can have those on sale too. Cause there's a big logo in the back, and it's a nice little jacket, you know, a nice little, yeah. But these ones we probably go for like $100 Canadian. God know. Be honest with you, if you subscribe all the time, we get a deal. Yeah, we get a deal. But if you're not coming all the time, no deal for you. No deal for you. No deal. Nope. Yeah, me lock up this top. I don't know, like, top is moving slowly these days. Like, oh, why? Yeah, suction down, nigga. Come on now. But yeah, put it back on her face and we'll call it a day. But yeah, see, that guy got a weed. Yeah, I know those scan. That's a weed tea. He's gonna be knocked out. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning. But that's the life we live in this country. We're trying to use alcohol, weed, drugs, cigarette to block out our problems. And we have deep problems in this country. Like, I don't know what more to say though. At the end of the day. But life is just life. But again, my people, hopefully you guys can support me. I'm gonna start posting up my t-shirt lines tomorrow. I'm gonna probably wear one of my t-shirt lines I have, Lifestyle in the 6. And then we have a 416. We have a next one called 416 Blood Clot. Gave away that one. First branding of that one, I gave it away in Jamaica. The second one for the Lifestyle in 6 and these type of jacket. A girl I know a long time asked me for it. Gave it away to her. She went to Jamaica. I never see her again. And now I'm left with this one. But if you guys want these type of varsity type of jacket with logos and stuff like that, I do printing also. I'm gonna show them type of lifestyle because I use them things for a different video for sure. Where you can remember me just come here and learn them things, you know. But if you want to see some videos on that, how to print your own t-shirts and print your brand and try to make a business out of t-shirt business, I can help you with that too, because I'm still gonna learn everything, you know. Cause when you have free time, you know, go sit down and go watch porn. You sit down on your computer and you go learn. You know, sit down on your computer and Twitter fingers have argument with people. No, you learn life, learn different stuff, and positive stuff to build, to bring along. You understand? God, this life. Demons are just out there for you. I know, like Jay, me can go downtown any day and just vibe out every day, you know. But that's just not what I want to do. Cause the safest place to be, you know, are your yard, in your bed. Call it a day. Jamaica or abroad. Nah, I go lie. That's how I drop them videos there. You understand? Canada. What year my high school me used to go to? What, 5 people get started up one time. I mean, I said, Judge, I look on that now. Crime rate, I go up in a Toronto hard. Crime rate, I go down sometime. I hope again. Same at Jamaica. But people, we're programmed this week for way too long. I mean, I deal with it today. On the need for jump on my Sunday night, my Sunday live. No matter what time I go up on it, just jump on my live stream. Alright? Probably not get no live for this Sunday still. Today. But every day I'll drop for Sunday, Saturday. And then I'll get no live because I have to work. But that's a code. So everybody again, thanks for you guys to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully I share the video them. And hopefully you enjoy this type of bluff video because Bridget been waiting for this bluff video. I don't know. Might get 100 views, 200 views. We call it a day, but I did it. You understand? The next video, I'll try to do the second part of Bluffs, but that not come until the sun really out, and we can show the sunlight version of that side of the Bluffs. You understand? So thanks to everybody who share, like, and support the channel.